We're here today with Che the Builder, and we're making super simple Western red cedar vertical gardens. These are ladder style, so you can lean them up against your fence, you can lean them up against your garage wall, you can lean them up against the side of your house. So what's the first step?
Well, the first step is reviewing the design and getting all the pieces cut. Now that I've got them cut, I'm just fitting it to make sure it all fits appropriately before we secure it all.
And we start with the planter boxes, that's right?
Yes, build the 4 boxes first and then the ladder for them to sit on.
Great, let's get started. So we've already finished one planter box. That's how fast this project is going. Jay, for you as a builder, what do you like about working with Western red cedar?
It smells great for one.
Certainly does.
But I love how lightweight and forgiving it is. It's easy to cut, easy to drill into.
So once you've finished assembling the planter boxes, what's the final step?
It's important to remember to drill drainage holes in the bottom.
As you can see, we finished all the planter boxes. Next, Shay is going to start building the frame. And not only is this project going to look beautiful, but it's going to last a really long time. And it's a green choice. In fact, woods such as Western red cedar leave the smallest carbon footprint of all the building materials. So it's a project you can feel good about. There you have it. Nice job, Che. I can't wait to see what it looks like with all the herbs and veggies planted in it. For free project plans and more info, visit realcedar.com.